Manufacturing Victory, the Arsenal of Democracy, a traveling exhibit from the National WWII Museum. The Arsenal of Democracy was the mighty American production effort which manufactured the means for ultimate victory on the battlefield, at sea, and in the air. Realizing that America was perilously unprepared when war broke out in Europe, political and business leaders worked urgently to convert industry and meet daunting military demands. This transformation of economic and industrial assets armed the U.S., militarily supported our allies, and would be sustained until the war's end. President Franklin D. Roosevelt gave the arsenal concept broad democratic meaning, calling every man and woman vital to a winning war effort regardless of their circumstance. United after the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor, Americans in factories, farms, and businesses worked with ingenuity and spirit, producing tanks, planes, ships, and guns at staggering rates. At home, the unprecedented drive brought America out of the Great Depression, opened new doors of opportunity to millions of citizens, and propelled social change movements.